welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to make something quick for the family. This one pot chicken and rice recipe is a must try. Trust me, after you make this food, everyone in your family will love it. So let's jump right in. First, you want to start with nice clean chicken. To marinate the chicken, I'm adding some green seasoning, which is just garlic, ginger, and scallion. To that, I'm adding some Jamaican spice seasoning. To that is some better than bouillon. You can use any season of choice. This is what I have available, so that's what I'm using. To that, I added some sliced onion, fresh thyme. Then we'll go in with some salt to taste. I'm going to go ahead and mix everything really well until the chicken is nicely coated. Once that is done, we'll go ahead and set it aside and let it marinate. I have my pan on medium heat. I'm going to add in some oil, just a little, about a tablespoon. To that, I'll add in 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'll go ahead and let it melt slowly. These steps give the chicken its beautiful color and rich flavor, so be patient with it and don't let it burn. Once the sugar melts and turns dark, I'll add in my marinated chicken. Then give it a good mix and allow the chicken to brown on both sides. I'm going to cover the pot and let the chicken cook until it releases its own juices. While the chicken is cooking, I'm going to drain out the water from my pigeon peas and rinse them out. Now I'm also going to use in some coconut milk for that extra flavor. At this point, our chicken has released its own juices. We'll go ahead and give it a good stir. To that, we'll add in my pigeon peas and also some vegetable of choice. You can use any vegetable at all. Once that goes in, we'll add in my rice and my coconut oil. So at this point, if you want to make it very spicy, you can add in your scotch bonnet. But I want my children to give this recipe a try. So I didn't add the scotch bonnet pepper. I'll add in just a little water. Then mix everything together until everything is well incorporated. So I'm going to check for salt and adjust if needed. And lastly, I'll go in with some fresh thyme for that extra flavor. And to tell you, this one pot meal is full of flavor. We'll go ahead and cover it and allow it to cook on low to medium heat. Make sure you check it from time to time and give it a gentle stir until the rice is fully cooked. Once the rice is cooked, I'll turn off the heat and let it rest for a few minutes. But you know, this house, we don't wait at all. We are going to serve it right away. We're going to dish it, and once that is done, we'll garnish it with some fresh scallions, and that's it. You've made yourself this delicious chicken pilau. It's so delicious. Trust me. Give it a try and let me know how it turns out. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my new recipes. Until I come your way with another deliciousness, please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys.